Hi Samaya, thanks for joining us today at BW Social Impact Summit 2025. So my first question to you is, accessibility is often framed as welfare. Why should India start seeing it as core economics infrastructure?
Absolutely. I think accessibility is extremely important, not just in the sense that how can we make things more accessible from a tangible and infrastructural point of view, but also who accessibility is implied to and who it's for. My work at Plan Y surrounds bringing the excluded to the included and giving a voice to the marginalized. So I think it's really important that we stop excluding people that we have excluded for so long and include them in the spectrum of accessibility as well.
Thank you. You are also being recognized for social impact today and you are a winner. So what was the hardest assumption to get unlearned to reach here?
I think the hardest assumption that I unlearned through the process was that grassroots level impact is not important for national and international large scale policy impact. Through Plan Y, we try to bridge the gap between grassroots level efforts and national and international policy effort. So through Plan Y, we also realized that it is so important to directly communicate and learn from grassroots level communities so that we can materialize that impact at a national policy level.
So in your organization Plan Y, what is one metric you track internally, but it never comes out in your report, but still it is most important?
Right. I think a rather intangible metric is how we're transforming people's lives, not just in terms of their living conditions, but in terms of alleviating the mental stress and the trauma that they've been through. We try to focus on a lot of communities that have been sidelined, such as survivors of acid attack. So for a long time, people have focused on just their survival and not their social reintegration. So we've tried to bridge the gap between survival and social retribution and social reintegration.
Thank you, Samaya. Thank you for your time
Thank you.
and congratulations again.
Thank you so much.